Kajing Shimpor Banshna ya kasurok ba National Highway 6 kalakta shisha ya kalit kawan ki Paidbah chung ka East Jingjynjar Hills barokaway laong MLA Klerian ba Kyrmen Shillong. Henry uong pan ba andara deblut kakam ki Paidbah kinsa Klet lut ya kajing snew kasurok menshwa padru ya kajing Shimpor ban pendam. Habakran bakilar patai Khubor uba Kyrmen ubadeiru menteri sorkar uloong ba kajing slamhi kadena maria ketika surak la siang dekat daubilan hakajaka karong kumta kakam Shimpor bakan Henry kakam ne slampan.
I would just like to clarify a little bit. Yes, no doubt, it is in my district, but it doesn't fall under my constituency. But at the same time, it is my duty and then to share with my friends, especially the viewers of your channel, that those companies who got the tender, they have tried. And the reason of it getting late or delayed, because as of now we have all those time. I have seen that the road was constructed with a black topping and then never been done with this what they call cement concrete. It's the first time in the history that I've seen in my life that the road has been constructed with the cement concrete. Okay, bridges we have seen that cement concrete, but road is the first time, especially in Klet area, and at the same time even in that Ratashara area, so they have done it the same. That takes time because for the concrete to get hard, it takes time. Unlike the black topping. So there were times that some people they criticize the government, the local MLAs, the officers, or the the contractors. But one request from my side to all the viewers and to all the public who go, use the road, to kindly bear with us. It's just a matter of time. After we complete this, I believe that they will not even remember what had happened previously, because the reason is that this road will save the best for our people. That is, I can say. So for now, it's just a matter of time. Please bear with us, and this kind of construction will give justice to the people. It shouldn't take much time. The reason it took time, example like Klet have been mentioned, we're supposed to complete it, let's say maybe hardly a month, and it took more than that. The reason, the timing given to them for construction, they did not get it the proper time, because there's a disturbance that the vehicle has to move. We cannot stop vehicle movement. We have to allow them, because the purpose of making the road is for the vehicle to move. So we cannot stop it 100%, but there's a timing. Instead of started the work at 8 o'clock, we have to start at 11, 12 o'clock. That consumes the time, that takes the time, and then after that also the movement of the vehicle doesn't stop. So because of that, it hampered the work and it took more time. So I'm here not to blame anybody, but it's just that please bear with us. We will do the best we can and make it speed it up the work so that it'll be easier for everyone and then it benefits to all of us.